Alright, hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda, and I make videos on YouTube about how to make money online and how to brand your products. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. So today I am going to reveal to you guys my first failed Amazon FBA product. So without further ado, let's get started. For those of you who don't know, I started selling products on Amazon back in 2018. Currently, I still sell on Amazon and I have my own brand on Amazon, which I have trademarked and I am trying to scale right now. But that did not come without a few stumbled roadblocks. And these roadblocks that I'm talking about are all of my failed products to get me to where I am now on Amazon. And today I am going to share my very first failed product. And yes, there are several failed products that I have had, and I will share with you guys later on down the road in a different video. And this product that I'm going to share with you today, I ended up buying around 200 or so units, and each unit cost around $15 landed. And for those of you who don't know what landed cost means, that is simply the cost of getting it here to the US. So buying it for I think $12, shipping was an additional $3 per piece to get it here and get it to Amazon. So yeah, it was around $15 each. I bought around 200 or so units. I believe possibly a little bit more than that. And once I got it to Amazon, I was expecting it to sell, but unfortunately, there are some roadblocks that hindered my success, which I will address shortly. So without further ado, let's hop into my computer and show you the product. And if you want to know why I don't have the product with me, I actually eBayed all of them off, and I'm kicking myself because I wish I would have at least kept one just for memory's sake and to show you guys. But without further ado, let's hop on into my computer and I will show you the pictures that I have of my product. To my computer. So here it is, my first ever Amazon FBA failed product. And what in the world are you looking at? Well, this is an ultrasonic bark deterrent. And what in the world is that? Well, that is a very good question, and one I had no idea about until I started doing research for this product and learning more about it. So this product it emits rays into the sound waves into the air that are silent to humans. So what it does is when it detects a dog barking, it will send these sound waves out that humans cannot hear but dogs can hear. For instance, dogs can hear those silent whistles where humans can't hear them, but dogs hear them and they do not bark anymore, or supposedly. I think it only works on some dogs if you ask me. So that is what this product is. And the keyword I used for this product is ultrasonic bark deterrent. Well, if you can guess, that is a long-tailed keyword, and that is one of the reasons why this product failed. Because how many people have heard of ultrasonic bark deterrent? I hadn't. So I based all my research on that keyword. And I didn't realize how saturated the niche was. Because when most people are looking for a product such as this, they would type into Amazon bark deterrent, bark stopper, something along the lines of that. So those keywords like bark stopper, bark deterrent are very, very, very saturated. Ultrasonic bark deterrent, not quite as much saturation. So this is 2 years ago, so maybe now there's much more saturation, but Back then, there wasn't as much saturation. So, where this exactly went wrong, besides the product keyword, another thing that went wrong with this product is it heavily relies on reviews. Because this doesn't work for all dogs, people want to know, does it work? It's also an electrical problem, or excuse me, it's also an electric product, which is a problem, but we'll get into that later. So people read those reviews, and if it works for all these other dogs, it will work for their dog. But if it doesn't work for their dog, people are going to leave really bad reviews, and all these dogs are different. What works for one dog may not work for another dog. So you start accumulating reviews after it sells a little bit. And unfortunately, it didn't work for all dogs, so I got some really bad reviews after a while. So this product heavily relies on good reviews. Another problem with this product is that I was not able to differentiate it, and I just didn't know how to. This is back when I first started, so I didn't even realize I should have differentiated it. So basically, I thought putting my logo on it, putting some fancy pictures, as you can tell, this is such a cute picture. I did this myself, and the way I did this was I bought an image off of Shutterstock, and then it's a PNG of these dogs, so I just put them all on here, and I thought it was so darn cute. And okay, back to my original point, I thought putting a cool picture on it, putting my logo on it with a slogan that I had called Wag More, Bark Less, which I love, would differentiate it enough, but it did not. So that was another problem. And let me go and show you some other pictures that I had on my ad. So I had this one, and I said that it works on neighbors' dogs because it's supposed to. On the company, the supplier's website on Alibaba, it said it works on neighbors' dogs, as well on other ads. People said it works on their neighbors' dogs. So I'm like, okay, perfect. I put it on, and I bought this picture off of Shutterstock, and then I just took a PNG of the bark deterrent, put it on, and did all of this in Canva. And I love how it turned out. Here is another one. This I made in Canva, and this is to demonstrate the sound waves coming out of the machine. Another thing I did, I just wanted to demonstrate the size. And this demonstrates how far away dogs can be for the levels. There's 3 levels on this bark deterrent. One for 15, one for 30, and one for 50. So I just wanted a representation of that. Okay, and here is another photo. And this is the same dogs, only them not howling this time. And another infographic that I made in Canva, super duper easy. I really had fun making these. And another one, it does need batteries, so that was another issue I dealt with that I will explain more about. Another graphic I made just pointing out the parts of the machine. And another graphic. All right, so now I'm going to talk about sourcing an electronic to Amazon. The first thing you have to do is whenever you do a product in Amazon FBA, you always have to do a hazmat questionnaire. So if it does take batteries, you'll have to get approved, and there is some extra paperwork that you do need to get them your supplier, and you will have to submit to Amazon. And usually I passed the hazmat inspection within a couple days, but there was one time for another product I did, which also was electronical, that took me weeks and weeks, and it was really frustrating. I ended up reaching to Amazon and did get it resolved, but sometimes it can just be an extra step in the process, which you can do. It definitely is something you want to learn more about before you source your product. And yeah, so this is my first ever Amazon product, and the reason why I did blur the logo out is just because I don't want everyone finding my Amazon profile or something. So that is why. But I really do want to show you guys the logo because I thought it was so cute. But anyways, that is my first Amazon failed product. So I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned some stuff on what to do and what not to do when you're looking for your product. And yeah, I have more videos coming out, and I am in the middle of starting a new brand on Amazon, and I want to let you guys in on that process and what goes through my mind when I'm looking for products, when I'm getting ready to source. And yeah, so I actually am in the process of looking for some products. So that will be coming in the future. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.